Hello everyone, welcome back. It is so good to have you here. If you are new here, my name is Angie. Today I have my vanity mirror right in front of me, and it's so weird because I am so used to seeing something in my background, but there's nothing today and it's throwing me off, but it's gonna be like this for a little bit. Today we are going to talk about the Acorns app. We are going to analyze it, we are going to dissect it, and we are going to see if it is a good fit for you. Without further ado, let's get to it. The Acorns app is an app that has been around for a few years, but it is still relatively new compared to other companies that have been around for decades. This company was founded in 2012, but its mobile debut was in 2014. That's when they claimed they saw a drastic growth. They're incredibly known for the roundup feature. You can link a credit card, debit card, checking account. You can link as many accounts as you like, and every time you make a purchase, then it will round up to the nearest dollar or more if you prefer, and that is what will be invested. So let's say you go to Starbucks and you order an iced caramel macchiato, Grande. Your total came out to $4.45. Since you want to round up to the nearest dollar, it would be $5. So then 55 cents would get invested. You do have to have $5 accumulated in order for it to actually be withdrawn from your linked checking account and invested. This is very similar to the Bank of America Keep the Change program. The only difference is that for that program, your money just gets saved. For Acorns, not only does it get saved, but it gets invested. Therefore, your money grows at a more reasonable rate. I do want to go over some features that they have, so let's hop onto my computer to take a look at their website. Welcome to the Acorns website. As you can see here, they have displayed the fact that they have an all-in-one investment, retirement, checking, and more. They definitely want to showcase that. Which is good. In the first tab, let's go to invest. Invest in your future. I think it froze. It's loading. Okay, I'm so sorry. My internet is really bad right now. I'm so sorry. Okay, so they have the Acorns Later, which is an IRA plan. An IRA plan is always good. Always good. The only thing about this is that if you are just planning on investing your spare change, you will not grow a very big retirement account. You will definitely have to invest or plan to invest a lot more in order to actually grow a decent retirement account. So keep that in mind. And then their portfolio. What are you putting your money in? When you sign up, you are going to tell them your goals, your situation, everything, and then they will recommend to you a mixture of ETFs that become your portfolio, as you can see here. But you do not have to choose what they give you. You can always change. What they are telling you is just a recommendation. So your money will go into real estate, government bonds, large companies, small companies, emerging markets, and corporate bonds. Very, very nice. So again, when you sign up, they will either tell you, okay, we recommend to you a conservative account, a moderately conservative account, a moderate account, a moderately aggressive account, or an aggressive account. Then you can obviously look over them and see what each one consists of. Let's go to Later. So Later is the Roth IRA account. Again, you can make a huge retirement account with just your spare change, but something is something, and something is definitely better than nothing. Let's go to Spend. So a very nice thing about Acorns is that they give you the option to get a checkings account with them. Their checkings account will work like any other checkings account that you get. They will give you a metal debit card. You have an all additional banking with direct deposit, mobile deposit, check sending, a lot more. You have 10% bonus investment, no hidden fees with over 55,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. You have an FDIC insured all the way up to 250,000. So as you can see, it's very similar to any other checkings account, and it's amazing. An amazing option that they give you. Then we have early. It's loading. I'm so sorry that it's lagging. My internet hasn't been cooperating lately. Okay, so then we have early. Early is for those who have families. If you're a mom, if you're a dad, and you want to make an account for your kids, then you are more than welcome to do that with Acorns Early. You make an investment account for them. You can take out that money whenever you need it for like their educational or anything involving them. Then when they are old enough, then you can just hand that account to them. Very simple. And an amazing thing that they are doing is that in order to help during this time, during the COVID-19 pandemic, they are giving away free accounts to babies born in 2020. So definitely take advantage of that if you have a baby born in 2020. So that was early. Let's go to earn. I think this is our favorite. We always love to earn some money. Let's exit this. What's better than cash back? So they have a found money program. These are all of their partners. They will give you a bonus investment. So these are just a few. They have a lot more, and each one gives you a different amount, but it's amazing. You just have to link, again, a checkings account, a debit card or a credit card, and then you have to use that same account that you have linked. And whenever you make a purchase in any of these places, then boom, boom. The only negative thing about that is that it will take 60 to 120 days for you to get that money. But at least you're getting something. Then we have Grow. They have an incredible way where you can get a lot more information. They have a lot of educational content, and I think anyone can benefit from it. You can learn a lot more and just scroll through it. Look at all these articles, look at all these videos. It's amazing. Then if we go back, I'm sure all of you guys are wondering about their pricing. Let's take a look at that. They have 3 different options. They have the light option, the personal option, and the family option. The light option is just $1 per month, and you pretty much just invest your spare change, and then you have the earn bonus investment, and then you have access to educational content. That is it. With the personal option, $3 a month, you have the whole investing, but then you have later, so you get your retirement account and you get a checkings account. The only difference between personal and family is that for family, you will get the early. So if you have kids, take advantage of the family option. That's the only difference. A way to get around these fees is if you are a college student under the age of 24, then you will not have to pay a fee. So that is super good. That goes to show that they're targeting more the younger generation, especially because they came out with an app and everything's on the app. So that's who they're targeting. I think Acorns is not the cheapest, especially when you add everything up. Let's say by the end of the year, you have accumulated $100 in spare change. If you go with the cheapest option, the light option, that is $1 a month, then that is $12 a year, and 12% of your investment goes to fees. If you get the second option, the personal option, that is $3 a month, $36 a year, and 36% of your investment. Let's say you want to go with the more expensive option, you want to go with the family option, then that is $5 a month, $60 a year, and 60% of your investment. So that might not be the best, especially if you have lower than $100. At that rate, you might as well go with something a lot more cheaper, something a lot more better, like Fidelity's index funds, because of the fees. Acorns is best for 1, college students, and 2, those who invest a lot more. If you invest $10,000, then your fee for the light account is going to be 0.12%. For the personal option, it will be 0.36%, and for the family option, it is going to be 0.60%. Very, very different. A lot better than you investing $100. Acorns is a great starting point for anyone who hasn't invested yet, and for anyone who doesn't know what the heck they're doing and they need a little bit of guidance in the beginning. It is also good for hands-off investors and people who don't save. They don't save, they can't save, they don't know how to save. Just keep in mind that they have a small investment portfolio and their fees are super high for small account balances. Well, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Thank you.